Hello everyone. Question is, you are using multiple configurations for G Cloud. You want to review the configured Kubernetes engine cluster of an inactive configuration using the fewest possible steps. What should you do? Option A, use G Cloud configurations described to review the output. Option B, use gcloud configurations, activate and gcloud config list to review the output. Option C, use the kubectl config get context to review the output. Option D, use kubectl config use context and kubectl config view to review the output. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your company uses cloud storage to store application backup files for disaster recovery purposes. You want to follow Google's recommended practices. Which storage option should you use? Option A, multi-regional storage. Option B, regional storage. Option C, nearline storage. Option D, cold line storage. Correct answer is option D. Question is, several employees at your company have been creating projects with cloud platform and paying for it with their personal credit cards, which the company reimburses. The company wants to centralize all these projects under a single new billing account. What should you do? Option A, contact cloud billing at google.com with your bank account details and request a corporate billing account for your company. Option B, create a ticket with Google support and wait for their call to share your credit card details over the phone. Option C, in the Google Platform console, go to Resource Manage and move all projects to the root organization. Option D, in the Google Cloud Platform console, create a new billing account and set up a payment method. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, you have an application that looks for its licensing server on the IP address of this. You need to deploy the licensing server on Compute Engine. You do not want to change the configuration of the application and want the application to be able to reach the licensing server. What should you do? Option A, reserve the IP address of this as a static internal IP address using gcloud and assign it to the licensing server. Option B, reserve the IP address of this as a static public IP address using gcloud and assign it to the licensing server. Option C, use the IP address of this as a custom ephemeral IP address and using it to the licensing server. Option D, start the licensing server with an automatic ephemeral IP address and then promote it to a static internal IP address. Correct answer is option A. Question is, you are deploying an application to App Engine. You want the number of instances to scale based on request rate. You need at least 3 uncopied instances at all times. Which scaling type should you use? Option A, manual scaling with 3 instances. Option B, basic scaling with mean underscore instances set to 3. Option C, basic scaling with max underscore instances set to 3. Option D, automatic scaling with mean underscore idle underscore instances set to 3. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.